Now that we are able to add data to the database, which is one of the most important part of this application here, we're going to look at how we can display the information onto the page. So let's go over here and we can go to the home. Let's click this. This is going to bring us to the wrong place. So let's go ahead and just type this back again. Coronavirus report center. Need to fix that, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly fix that as well. So that's what we have. So let me go to the header and fix that thing. And that is because it already has some default things that are there. So where is it? I'm gonna fix this here. So let's go /virus report center / there as well. And for the home, same thing. /virus report center and save that. That's pretty much it. Now let's get into creating, getting the information. So let's go to model, create a model. This model that we're going to create is going to be our index model.php, and this is what's gonna get the data from the database. Now, all we're gonna do is create two functions. The first function that we're going to create is the one that is going to get the information from the database. The second function is the one that one's going to be private, so we're going to get a public function to display that around, to get that into another file. So let's go ahead and say index model, which is going to extend the models, and then we're going to create our private function. This private function, we're just going to call it cases. I'll call it cases. And all this is going to do is going to have an SQL script, which we could always, it's going to be a variable. We could always put this inside, I think, but I prefer to just have this just in case we need to change it. So we can put this in. So that's cases. Then we're going to have a statement. The statement is going to be equal to this. We're going to get the connection, and then we're going to get the query. This is not what it's supposed to be. This should be that connection. Connection is a function, and then we're going to get the query. We're going to use the query function here, and we're going to pass SQL to it, which is basically we writing select all from cases there. So we're going to also have a row. This row is what's going to basically be like the execution point of this thing. So we're going to say fetch all, and this is the built-in PHP function. I pass a parameter, which is the way that we want data to come back to us, which is going to be fetching it as an associative array. We could get this as an object, but I think it's easier to work with as an associative array, even though we're doing object-oriented programming. You can look at it in another video. We're just gonna go ahead and return the row. Here we're gonna create a public function, and this public function I'm gonna call it get cases. And this get cases here is basically just gonna return the function that we have above there. So it's gonna say return this cases, and that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it for this here. What I'm gonna do now is we already have the index controller, so we're just gonna go ahead and append information that we need here, which is just a function to get the function that we would have created here in the index model over here, so we can use it. So we're just gonna create like a display cases function. So let's go ahead and say public function display cases, and this takes no parameter as we would have noticed. And I get an instance of the model. So I'll say inst model. This is going to be equal to a new model instance. So this is basically getting the instance from there, and now we're gonna use that. So we're gonna return. So we're just gonna return the index model instance and use it to call the get cases function. So that's about it. Now we need to display this thing on the index page. So what I'm going to display this, what I'm going to do is, let me just get rid of all of this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the UIkit. I already pulled it up. I'm going to look for a table over here. Just look where table is. Table, I think it should be the thing here. Tables. And when I'm going to find a table that has a button on it, which will allow us to move to another area. So this is perfect. So I'm just going to copy everything here, and again the markup is here, but I already know how this looks, so I'm just going to copy that there and head over here. So we have nothing in here, cleared it out, so I'm just going to paste I'm just going to paste it just in case I forget. So let's just paste that here. But what we need to do is we need to get the information that we're going to actually be printing out, because we need to get it somehow. So we're going to make a new instance of the index controller here. Let's go ahead and open our PHP tags. We're not going to close it because we have the HTML down here. So I'm just going to say create a variable to have the instance. So we're going to say new index controller, and then we're going to create the cases variable that will hold the cases. So this now we're going to use the instance up here to call the display case function. This is the display cases function, and this is where all the cases will be stored. That's pretty much it for that. So that's pretty much it. Here I'm just going to create a new title here. So this title, and we already have some style in here, so we don't have to worry about that. We're going to call this case, and for this I think I'm just going to put a case title, and for here I'll just put the case description, and for this one I'm just going to put read more. So this will be the button that is going to be clickable, and for here we will only need one of these. So I'm just going to get rid of this one. I will only need one of these, and here I'm just going to put a PHP tag to get our for each. So what I'm going to do is going to do a shorthand thing of this. So I'm just going to say the for each, and it will make it the way how I want it. So we'll have this opening here, so we can put HTML in between there. So now I can go ahead and just paste the HTML there, and it will still work. And that is, this little thing here is basically the same thing as the braces there, the curly braces. Now what I'm going to print out here is to some PHP. So I'm just going to clear this. I'm going to say PHP echo. I'm going to echo out the cases. So before I echo out the cases, all I need to do is fix the for each, which is going to be for each cases in for each case as case. I'm kind of mixing up this with Vue.js. I've been working with that a little bit lately. So for this case, is because we're storing it here, we're using it as case. So there's like a singular of it, and this is different. These are two different things. So we're just gonna use this to get only one. I want the case. I think it was case title. I think that's what we gave the name in here. And for this one, let me just copy this so that I save some time. For this one here, this should be the description, if I remember correctly. Should be the description underscore description. And for the button, what we're going to have is we're going to change this to a link. So we're going to say href. The class will still allow it to be a button. So this will be a link. we're gonna remove this, allow it to look like a button, I should say. This will, I'm just gonna change this to read more, and for the link, A, that's the H. Now we need the href, so I'm gonna put the href at the end here. So href, and this href is going to go to cases. So we're gonna have we're gonna have a cases page, and we're gonna say we're gonna have a query which is going to be the ID. So we're gonna grab the ID, and now we're just gonna print it out. So we're just gonna echo out the ID. So this is how we're gonna know the ID for this thing, so we can look at them on an individual page. So now we're just gonna say ID. I like to close this off. I'm just gonna close that off, and that's pretty much all we need for this thing here. Let's go back to our browser and reload this thing. If we refresh, we should see a table with everything. Oh, yeah. All right, I think I spelled this incorrectly. I think that should just be model. I really think that should just be model. Yeah, that's it. So this should not be extend model. It should just be extend model. And now if we should refresh this thing here, there we go, and we have our case. So what I'm going to do is just put just one final thing, and that is just to wrap this in a div. Cut this and wrap this in a container div. So a UIkit container. Okay, Emmet is not working on this thing, so that just messed up. Paste this here, and the container is just to give this some margin around, pretty much all around this thing. We're just gonna put a margin around it, so it will just look a little bit better. And that is pretty much it for this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll look at, in the next video, we'll look at how, I think we'll just look at how we can get this on a single page, and then we'll look at editing and updating and stuff like that. But for now, this won't work, so it just doesn't even make any sense. So thanks for watching.